Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Craft Guide PE. Now today we're gonna be talking about pressure plates. I did mention that I'm gonna do a separate video on pressure plates when I posted the redstone update tutorial. I did say that I'm gonna do a separate video, and I did say no, this is something that I didn't say. Uh, I cannot mix the pressure plate tutorial with the redstone update tutorial because it will take like from 15 to 20 minutes to be done, and the video will be 15 to 20 minutes, and this is a very long video for a tutorial. Basically, I think the tutorial should be only 10 minutes, so I did a separate video. Now let's start. You're gonna know why I placed these blocks and built this, whatever you wanna call it. Now let's start. If you shoot an arrow on a wooden pressure plate, it will light up. The lamp will light up and stay lit up till you remove the arrow. Now I did talk about that in the last video, but I just want to repeat it in case. And I did say the stone pressure plate will not work in the arrow trick. So both of them are completely the same, yet different in only one thing, and that's the arrow trick. The arrow trick works on the wooden, doesn't work on the stone. Now the two new pressure plates, that's the iron pressure plate, and of course the gold pressure plate. Now these two are completely different. Now they work the same, but they have a major difference, and I'm gonna talk about it. But first, let's talk about the gold pressure plate. Now at first, when I wanted to try the gold pressure plate, I stood on it and saw that it can only turn on like one redstone. So I thought that there was something wrong. So I actually noticed that there was something different when I learned about the arrow trick. I shot two arrows and noticed that we have now two redstone working. So this means that you need like about 4 players, because we place over here like 4 redstone. We need 4 players to turn on the lamp. So that means we need 4 arrows and the lamp will turn on. So this means that you cannot light up the lamp or do anything with only one player if you want to do it with like the gold pressure plate. That's only if you do this thing with only one redstone dust, or with no redstone dust. So you need like players to do that, but no need for players only. You can also use mobs. See, this is why I built this. You can place 4 mobs and it will turn on. Now you can, if you notice, like over here, you have weighted pressure plate light. This is what it said. Now, why do they call it light, and on the iron pressure plate they call it weighted pressure plate heavy? That's because this is a major difference. Notice this. If I shoot 2 arrows I cannot light up the second. Now I'll tell you why. This is heavy. So heavy means that you need like more than 2 mobs or 2 players to turn on a redstone. If you shoot 5 arrows, nothing will happen. But if you shoot 10, seriously, they should be 10. Wait, let's recount that with villagers. So these are 2 villagers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, 9, 10. 10, 11. So you need 11. My fault. You need 11 to actually make the lamp work. So this is a very hard weighted pressure plate, or a pressure plate basically. This is a very hard pressure plate to deal with. So you cannot make easy puzzles with it. You need like a lot of ideas to make this work. You need a lot of thinking, a lot of everything. So basically this is not a very famous a very famous pressure plate. Not a lot of players use it. I'm pretty sure of that. But the gold pressure plate is good. It's excellent. My favorite is the wooden pressure plate and the gold pressure plate. The others aren't that cool, especially the iron. The iron is not good at all, believe me. Alright, so this is everything for this video, this tutorial. Be tuned for other episodes. If you like the video, please like and subscribe if you want. And if you've got any questions, just post something on the comments and I'll be delighted to answer. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.